I'm Jesse with GreenCars, and I'm here at the Oregon Electric Vehicle Association's EV event in Portland, Oregon. And we are here with a really cool Mustang, and I am here with, what was your name again?
Dan Kisting.
Dan? Okay, and what do you got here for us?
So I have a 66 Ford Mustang convertible. It was converted about 2 or 3 years ago with the help of John Whalen. And once I saw the car, it was a beautiful car. It was an impulse buy. I felt that I had to buy it. However, everything inside of it was all wrong. And after a few near-death experiences in the car, I did a little search online, and that's where I found John. And we came up with the idea and the passion. And it's been a little bit of a long road, but here we are. And the car runs beautifully. The range is about 120 miles. I can charge it up in about 2 hours. And it's something that when I pass, I can hand over to my kids and feel at peace that this car will be safe, and it's a wonderful piece of machinery.
That was a lot. That was great. So you said this was an impulse buy.
It absolutely was an impulse buy.
Okay, so let's go into that a little bit. Why was it an impulse buy?
I grew up having a Mustang with as a kid. My brother had a Mustang, and it was something I always fell in love with. And so I knew the moment I saw it that I had to have it.
What would you say is probably the coolest thing about this car?
The coolest thing about the car is just the drive, going up hills and hearing just the little view, and it's clean, just all the looks and the attention that I get from it.
Without all the noise, right?
Exactly.
That's great. So this thing kind of feels like a roller coaster when you put the foot on there?
Absolutely. It's just fun. It puts me back and I'm like, wow.
Is this kind of your daily commute around town kind of car?
Right now it could be. I have a few more things to get fixed on it with the convertible top, but once that's the plan.
That's awesome. Well, is there anything else that's really special about this car that you want to share with us, or?
No, it's a one of a kind, and it's the hard work of long couple years worth of passion, and I'm just glad to see that it's here and that it's clean.
All right, well, I appreciate your time, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day.